Superfood hemp plant has been cultivated for more than thousands of years. Hemp seeds are considered a great superfood and are incredibly healthy. Let's see their health benefits. Super rich in nutrients. 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds has 2 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, 300 milligrams of potassium, 25% of iron needed for your body's daily intake, and 15% of your vitamin A needs daily. That's awesome. Great source of protein. Great news for vegetarians and vegans. Hemp seeds provide similar amount of protein as red meat. 25% of their total calories are from high quality protein. They have more protein content than chia seeds or flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids in hemp seeds fight inflammation and protect your immune system and help protect you from cold, flu and other diseases outside. Hemp seeds are a very good source of omega-3. They have a 3:1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, which helps relieve dry skin and helps people with eczema. Great for hair and nails. Hemp seeds contain more than 30% fat. Omega-3 and omega-6 in hemp promote cell growth and support healthy hair and nails. Heart disease. Hemp seeds produce nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax your blood vessels and in turn reduces risk of heart disease. Hemp seeds have GLA, which has been linked to reduce risk of heart diseases. Workout recovery. For vegans, hemp makes a great protein powder, being high in fiber and low in fillers. So next time you go for a workout, definitely make sure to have hemp protein powder. Helps with digestion. Whole hemp seeds are a good source of soluble fiber, which is a great source of nutrients for the digestive bacteria and helps with digestion. So next time you have a digestive upset or you have an issue with your digestive system, make sure to take hemp seeds. Menopause. GLA in hemp seeds regulates hormonal imbalances, reduces physical and emotional symptoms caused by premenstrual syndrome and menopause. So next time you know anybody affected with premenstrual syndrome or menopause or hormonal imbalance, definitely recommend them to have or eat hemp seeds. Diabetes. Hemp seeds contain insoluble fiber, which has been linked to a reduced risk of diabetes. AIDS recovery after an attack. Hemp seed oil reduces the risk of blood clots and helps heart recover faster after a heart attack. Which ones to buy? Hemp is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which quickly break down and spoil. So hemp seeds package should be totally opaque. That means when you pick up a package at the store or you order hemp seeds online, you should not be able to see the hemp seeds from outside, right? The package should be completely opaque, not transparent. Because if the contents of the bag are exposed to light, the omega-3 will get spoiled quickly. So hence, make sure to buy an opaque package of the hemp seeds. How to store? Once you open the packet, put the contents in an airtight container and put it in the fridge, and it will last you for a year. However, if you keep them in your pantry, then keep checking the smell every now and then, and if it smells stale, throw them out. If you keep them in the pantry, it will only last you for a few months. So hence it's important for you to keep checking so that the omega-3 smell doesn't turn rancid. How do you add hemp to your food? Sprinkle hemp seeds onto yogurt and curd, add them to your juice, make hemp milk at home, sprinkle hemp onto your rice and onto salad. In this video, we have seen the benefits of hemp seeds, right? Hemp seeds are very, very important, particularly for vegetarians and vegans. They are a very, very good source of protein. They contain as much protein as red meat contains, right? So keep that in mind. And we have seen amazing benefits of hemp seeds, like for hair, skin and nail health, and also for digestion, for heart attack, recovery after a heart attack, etc., etc., right? So make sure to add them to your diet and enjoy all these benefits. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe.